Assalamu alaikum. Dear first year students, welcome to you all in online English class. Hope that you are well. Look at the photograph. Do you know her? Her name is Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian woman to travel to the space. She was born on 17th March 1962 in Karnal, India. She successfully completed her education in aerospace engineering from India and the USA. She joined NASA in 1988 with a desire to become an astronaut. She made her first voyage in 1997 and the second voyage in 2003. Unfortunately, she died along with her fellow crews in the second voyage. She was highly educated and courageous and ambitious lady. Her life history has been included in our text. Now we shall discuss it. It is unit number 1, lesson number 3, Kalpana Chawla. I am going to discuss today Kalpana Chawla and paragraph writing. Open your book. This is text. Read this text again and again and try to understand the passage clearly. If you understand it, it is very easy for you to answer any question. First of all, I shall discuss question number 1, multiple choice. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Question number A, Kalpana Chawla. Correct answer, an Indian by birth. Question number 2. She started her career as a NASA astronaut in correct answer 1988. Next number, the words you are just your intelligence imply. Correct answer, one's value is justified by one's intelligence. Next question, Chawla met an untimely death due to. Correct answer, intense heat. Last question, the word malfunction mentioned in the passage means stop working. Only 5 questions here. But you have to learn more multiple choice in your text, in your model test. Next question, answer the following question. Short question. First question, what do the following years refer to? 1962, 1982, 1940, 84, 1988. Answer, 1962. Kalpana Chawla was born. In 1982, Chawla graduated in aeronautical engineering. 1984, Chawla got master's degree in aerospace engineering. 1988, Chawla got PhD in aerospace engineering. Question number B. What, according to you, was the impact of the Challenger disaster 1986 on Kalpana Chawla? Answer: Challenger disaster 1986 that broke apart 73 seconds into its flight and caused the death of its 7 crew members had no impact on Kalpana Chawla. She was determined to become an astronaut in the face of life risks and joined NASA in 1988. Next question: what was the responsibility of Kalpana Chawla in her first space mission? Who assisted her in the endeavor? Answer: the responsibility of Kalpana Chawla in her first space mission was to deploy a Spartan satellite. Winston, Scott and Takoday, two her fellow astronauts, assisted in her endeavor. Next question: when was Kalpana Chawla selected for the second space mission? What were the reasons its delayed start? Kalpana Chawla selected for her second space mission STS-107 in 2000. The reasons for its delayed start were scheduling conflict and technical problems. Last question: what was the result of the investigation carried out to determine the cause of the fatal accident of Columbia on 1st February 2003? The result of the investigation was the information that the accident was due to damage in on Columbia's wings by a piece of insulating foam. During the intense heat of re-entry, hot gases entered into the wing and destroyed the support structure and caused the rest of the shuttle to break down. To answer the short question, you have to read the passage and take the help of the passage. Next question. Question number 2. Follow chart. Based on your reading of the passage, make short notes in each of the boxes in the follow chart showing the life history of Kalpana Chawla. One has been done for you. Read the passage again and again and try to underline the important sentences. First box, born on 7th March 1962 in Karnal, India. Next, graduated in aeronautical engineering in 1982. Next, obtained master's degree in aerospace engineering in 1984. Next, got USA citizenship in 1991. Next, started her career as a NASA astronaut in 1995. Last died after a 16-day scientific mission in space on February 2003. We have discussed multiple choice, short question and follow chart from this passage. Next topic's paragraph. The name of the paragraph, War of Independence. It is very important for you, both first year and second year. Bangladesh had been under the British colonial rule for about 200 years. It got freedom in 1947 and was named East Pakistan, a part of Pakistan. It is an irony of fate that the state was fully governed by the political leaders and idealism of West Pakistan. We are Bengali, but they are Pakistani. Our language was Bangla, but theirs was Urdu. In many ways, Bengalis were oppressed and tortured by the so-called Punjabi rulers. They imposed Urdu as mother tongue of Bengali. Consequently, our heroic sons fought against the whimsical and barbarous activities of West Pakistan. At first, in 1952, they shed blood for the language movement. Gradually, Bengalis set their mind to get freedom from Pakistan. In 1970, after a great victory of general election, they did not hand over the power. Rather, directly and indirectly, they killed our people mercilessly. Consequently, on the very speech of 7th March by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, got the full shape of independence. Under his leadership, our heroic sons, freedom fighters, and regular and irregular forces waged the War of Independence on 26 March in 1971. After a bloody war of 9 months, Bangladesh got freedom on 16th December 1971. 30 lakh people laid down their lives for this war. Bangladesh came into being as an independent country in the world map. We got our national flag mixed with red and green, signifying blood of our proud sons. Bondage is a curse. It cannot give people real freedom. Our long cherished desire, Sonar Bangla, would turn into a beautiful, developed, and corruption free country. We have already completed unit number 1 and 2 paragraphs. Dear students, I request you to read the paragraphs and write down these paragraphs in your khata and try to memorize it. It is very, very important for you. These paragraphs are written in very easy and simple language. No more today. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.